Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can search for multiple documents on TranZact and then after can download it in PDF. So for that, let us go to our all documents module. On your left hand side, you will see all documents module. Please click on this. Now, this is the list of documents available here. So as you can see that purchase order is selected and all the documents in purchase order is available here. I can very well go ahead and make the changes and can select any another document. So here I am going ahead with the sales invoice. So these are list of sales invoice which I have created on TranZact. I can go ahead and just use the search option to search any of the document in the list. Also, I can download it in bulk. So how I can do that? I can select all these invoices and on your right hand side in very top you will see option of download. Please click on this. Do remember that once you can download up to 25 documents in a single row. So if it is exceeding 25 rows, I would request you to please download it in batches. So please check. As I clicked on download, so download did happen. Now here you need to click on visit downloads page to get the file. So as you can see that it is currently in pending as because the file is getting prepared. So it takes generally like 1 to 2 minutes maximum if that is in bulk. So I will simply go ahead and just refresh it for a while as because currently I have just downloaded 10 documents. So it is taking a little time. Please check. Now our download file is ready in the zip format and I can click on download here and a zip file will get downloaded. Once you will open this zip file, there will be PDF of each and every invoices which I have downloaded. Same accordingly, you can download your purchase orders, your order confirmation and another documents. You can use these filters for as per your requirement. So type is sent, draft, status, pending, cancelled. You can use it as per your requirement and then after you can see all the documents here and you can search it and download it from here. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in searching and downloading the documents in bulk. Have a good day ahead.